guys, today we're doing a slight chore. The glare is really bad and I'm sorry. I completely screwed up my lighting because I had to move a bunch of stuff and I can't. I'm cleaning again. It's a vicious cycle for me. I don't know. Anyways, this is my purse. I really do like this purse. It's a Louis Vuitton. My husband got it for me for Christmas a couple years ago, but this has been my daily purse for like 2 years. So today we are going to switch to a new bag, the Kate Spade bag that I got during the FabFitFun add-ons. I have a video of that actually. I did like a whole video of my unboxing, a choice breakdown, and then a little add-on haul. I will link that down below if you're interested. But this is what we're gonna do today. So this is gonna be kind of like a what's in my purse, because I'll be honest with you, I don't remember the last time I went through this purse, and I don't get to do what's in my purse videos very often because I normally keep them like really clean and like really organized, and they're really boring because there's nothing of interest in them. I don't know when the last time I cleaned out this purse was. So we're gonna do it today. That's what's happening. Yeah, I have this purse. This is a Louis Vuitton. I don't remember which one it is. I know you can't get like this exact one anymore, but this is like the slouchy one, which, oh, I lusted after this for so long, and I do really like it. I'm keeping it, obviously. I used to switch between purses like back and forth a lot more often than I do now. I don't know why I stopped. I stopped doing that because I finally got the Louis Vuittons that I had always wanted. But I want to, you know, like I want to appreciate my other purses and be able to use, you know, it's exciting. Is there anything more exciting? So I picked this up. This is the Kate Spade large satchel in light fawn from the FabFitFun on sale. And then Kate Spade is actually doing their secret sale, or they were like a couple weeks ago. And so I picked up, this is the large Continental wallet in Cameron, which is warm beige and black. So it doesn't match it perfectly, but I didn't want like it to exact match it. So today we're gonna switch everything over. We are going to get the new purse set up, and then I'm gonna show you guys what's in my bag. I feel like I've done one of these before. I think I cleaned this purse out at some point, if I'm right, and I didn't take down that video in a fit of embarrassment. I will link that video down below if you're interested in watching it. This bag also came with a strap. I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna put the strap on or not, so it's still like all wrapped up and everything. And then it came with a dust bag, obviously, which I will be keeping because I don't plan on using this bag forever. I want to have a few, like I really need to go through my handbags because so many of them are just really old. I really need to go through them all. But I wanted to have a few that I could switch in between. So I've got a couple of these. I've got a Kate Spade. I should be good now. I need to go through and see what else I have. But enough jibber jabbering. Let's get started. I feel like I should have more, like I have a little table in front of me and I feel like I should have more table space. Okay. So the first thing in my bag is a Nintendo 3DS Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon. I bought this forever ago when I had a Nintendo 3DS, and then one of my kids threw it in the toilet. And I tried to return it to Target the other day, but I was out of the return thing because it hasn't been open yet. So it's going to GameStop. We have my wallet. This is a Louis Vuitton wallet. I'm pretty sure that this is still online. If it is, I'll link it down below. I'm pretty sure. I don't think this bag is. I'll look though. My wallet is like jam-packed full of stuff. I have health insurance cards. I have an Allstate insurance card for a car I don't have anymore, so that can probably go. Got, Jesus, man. I'm just gonna take out all of the cards. Otherwise we're gonna be here all day. I'm just gonna take them all out. Let me just empty the wallet really quick. Like, hang on. Okay, that is everything. So this wallet is now empty, and it can go back in its little dust bag. I freaking, Okay, so I took everything out. I have a pressed penny from Snoopy Rock in Sedona, Arizona. That was in my wallet. Cool. I have some cash and a strip of a receipt. I have cards from Helzberg. That's where we got like my wedding ring and stuff from. And so it's the inspection cards. So I keep those on me because if I don't, inevitably what happens is I go to Helzberg to get my rings inspected and I don't have the damn cards. My Target card, because obviously I've got library cards that I'm pretty sure are expired. I got emails that said I was supposed to renew them. I didn't know that they did that. I don't think that I ever renewed them. So I'm gonna have to take care of that from our library. I have a Living Spaces credit card because we have gone there a grand total of twice. So I have a Target debit card. I do a lot of shopping at Target. I'm just gonna put it that way. I have the Victoria's Secret, the like that metal card that you had to like wait in line for and get. I totally got one. I love it. It's the best. This wallet is it's not as loose as the other one. I'm gonna switch that for this one because I like having my fun stuff on one side and my business stuff on the other side. Oh, I have that Signal Vault. It was on Shark Tank. It was like it's the credit and debit card protector. I have no idea if it works, but it's supposed to, so hopefully. So everything fits, which is nice. Hopefully. All right, then I've got this. This is an old Ipsy bag. It's the one with the little eyelashes on it. I actually really liked this bag. I don't know. I might end up switching out the bags that I have in here. But in here, we've got some Evian facial spray. Is this even cruelty-free? I don't know, but it's almost empty. I keep this in my bag. I keep some type of like face mist or facial spray in my bag because we live in freaking Arizona and it gets hot as hell. So I am going to keep this even if it's not cruelty-free because I got to use that up. I have, oh dear, a razor blade. This is that, I don't even know how this goes. This is kind of gross. Did it melt? What is happening? This is that Sphynx razor. I think it's time to toss this though, because this does not look like it's in good shape and there's stuff all over it. So we're gonna go ahead and toss that out. But I got this from Pop Sugar at some point. Yeah. I have Pacifica Pineapple Underarm Deodorant Wipes. These are partially used, but there is a cut in them. So they are completely, like, that is dry as a bone. So those are worthless. Those can probably go. I actually really did like those wipes though. The pink Sunkissed body mist from Victoria's Secret. I think I got rid of all my other sun mists. That smells like nothing. Okay, there it is. What is the scent? This is coconut water and sunny vanilla. Okay. I feel like I would almost rather have like a little perfume in here than this because this is so old. I have not purchased one of these mists in years. I'm thinking it's probably time for this to go. I have an SW Basics Cinnamon Lip Balm. It melted. Oh, and I hate cinnamon. Okay. That needs to get switched out. I have a Body Shop Hemp Hardworking Hand Protector that has no lid. I don't know. Here's the lid. I don't know how the lid got off. Oh, okay. That should probably go too. So basically this whole thing needs to be replaced. We will work on that. I don't think I have a travel size deodorant anymore though, so might want to get one of those. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this bag. I'll have to figure that out too. What else is in here? We've got this piece of plastic. This is from, I have one of those like miscellaneous chargers where it's like, this is one of the little dividers, but it's broken. That can go. The Nudestix a magnetic lip plush paint in Bahama Mama. I'm always cool with that. I've got my keys. Those would actually be really good to keep in my purse. I have a lighter. I don't need that anymore. So that can go. Oh, this used to be a diaper. It's like a brand new diaper, don't worry, but like, this is so sad. So I have this keychain on my bag. This is like that one that Pop Sugar sent out in like the Nordstrom box. I don't remember what kind of keychain this is, but it's like a $125 keychain. I know, and it completely broke off. So I'm gonna have to see if I can like fix that or something. This is an Origins bag that's like all dusty and stuff. And I got this, I put this one in here because the inside of the bag is red and I was like, oh, that's cute. Oh, pen. Definitely gonna need to keep that. But I don't use Origins anymore because they're not cruelty free. So I'll probably end up tossing that. But I have an extra pair of underwear. I have some feminine products. I have a couple of Germ No More hand sanitizing wipes, which are probably dried out by now. I have a Flint mini. It's a lint roller, but it's like a travel one. I got it in a Pop Sugar box. I really like these though. You can get these at Target. They're actually really cool. Or you could. I don't know if they still have them. A couple of Band-Aids. That's good. And then this is the Green Goo 100% All Natural First Aid. So this is for things like sunburn, scrapes, rashes, chafing. Oh, and it still seems pretty good. So this one I will keep in here. This bag I'm probably going to get rid of. Apparently I'm not really switching much of anything over. I have another pen, and then I have my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy, which is in a project pan right now, so that shouldn't be in there. I have the cap to something, a little plastic cap. This is a check for $2.47 that was void in February. Okay. And then this is an appointment reminder card with my pediatrician for January. a long time since I cleaned out my purse. And that's everything inside the purse. I need to like vacuum out the inside of the purse, but we're doing good. So now I need to figure out, I need to go get a couple, I don't know if I want to use this bag. Oh, I don't know. I feel like it's time to switch it up a little bit. I need to go grab a couple makeup bags. I need to go grab a couple replacements for things. So I'm going to use 2 Ipsy bags. I'm hoping that this one will fit. This is a quilted one. I honestly don't remember what month this is from. I want to say it was from this year, a couple of months ago. I also don't know if it's going to fit, but we're going to figure it out. And then I have this one, that floral one with like that wooden ring, which I'm pretty sure was also from a couple months ago. So this is going to be used for my femininity stuff. Okay, so extra underwear, more femininity stuff. Okay, couple of band-aids. Okay, so that's that one. And then in the quilted bag, I'm gonna put in the other random stuff. So I have this Tangle Free by Cala brush. It's got these cute little doggies on it. It's adorable, and it's specifically meant for like really tangled hair. And I tend to have a lot of issues with my hair, so I'm going to toss that in there. Toss in my Evian. It's almost empty. I really just want to use this up, and then I'll switch over to like a different facial mist. I'm gonna put a couple of the Germ No More hand sanitizing wipes in here. I don't have travel hand sanitizer. I know my husband does, so I need to get some of that from him. I wear press-on nails sometimes when I get tired of doing dip powder or gel. So I figured it'd be a good idea to take a little bottle. This is the Kiss Brush On Nail Glue. I'm just gonna keep this in here. Okay. I'm also taking a couple of beauty products. So for fragrance, because that pink body mist just isn't really working anymore, I'm going to take the Clean Fresh Laundry in Lavender. It's a little spray bottle from that layering set. It's tiny, it's nice, I like it. I'm going to take a 1.3 fluid ounce Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. This is in Sunkissed. I don't want anything that has like a really overly scented thing, because I don't tend to like to use those like when I'm sitting next to a bunch of people. So hopefully this works and that'll do good for me. I wanted to take a lip balm and some type of like lip color. So for lip balm, I ended up picking out this from my stash, which is still in the box. And this is the Cala Sheer Mineral Lip Luxe. So it's got an SPF of 30, and this is in the shade Skinny Dip, which I've used this a couple of times and then I put it back in the box. But it's like a little tinted lip balm, but it has SPF, which I'm gonna apply lip balm out there amongst the wilds. Probably a good idea. I'm also going to put my lip roller back in here because that was also a good idea. And then for lip color, I literally just took the first travel-ish friendly thing that I could find, which was this. That is gold. I'm reconsidering this. Hang on. Uno momento. I need a mirror. I don't have like a purse mirror. I don't have a travel mirror. I normally just use my phone. I'm debating. I guess if I wouldn't want to use it on like a regular basis in public, I probably shouldn't own it, right? It's like metallic, and I feel like it looks better with the makeup that I'm wearing today. I'm just trying to think about like everyday, like out and about, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my bag. If it doesn't work out, I'll switch it, and if it doesn't work out, I'll probably just end up decluttering this. This is the Bite Beauty Cream Lip Gloss in Champagne Pearl, by the way, in case you were wondering. All right, now I have to figure out where this stuff is gonna go. So there's like these little mini pockets in here. This is the only zippered pouch. These two are open, and then there's like this little mini pocket in here. I have my little primpy-ish bag. See, I feel like that's too big. Like, that's weird. I don't know. I have my incidentals bag, and then I've got the zippered pouch, which would be a great place for my wallet, and my keys, which basically just have like a bunch of Disney. I literally like, these are all Disney keychains. This is a Mickey Mouse key, and then a Minnie Mouse glove, and then a little Dumbo Funko thing. So just a whole bunch of keys. And that can also go in that pouch. I love how the outside pouches are literally just 2 bags. Is that weird? I don't know. Anyways, that's my purse switch. That was a lot more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. I'm really excited though. I think this is such a beautiful purse. I'm really excited to kind of had made a little bit of a change, just because I like change sometimes. Not really, most of the time. I don't know. Anyways, that's what we're doing. Okay. Thank you guys so much for joining me here today. Let me know down below how often you guys clean out your purses, because I don't think I'm doing it right. Probably not. Let me know though how often you guys clean out your purses, and let me know what the weirdest thing you've ever found in your purse was, because I think that would be really good. And also, how many lip products do you carry in your purse? Would it be weird for me to like add more? Okay. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me. I'll catch you next time. Have a good one. Bye.